there, guys. Today we're going to be learning about the letter B. We're also going to be reading a story of Brown Bear, what do you see? We're also going to be making a paper bag puppet bear. Look at this. Do you like it? Are you ready, guys? Let's go.
Hello friends, come learn with me. It's time to learn the letter B. B, 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 B. B for bear and B for ball. Let's have fun and learn it all. B, 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 B. Preschool Creations, come and play. We'll learn the letter B today.
Hi guys, are you ready to learn about the letter B? I know I am. Ready? This is the letter B, and the sound B makes is B. First, we're going to learn how to write the letter B. Let me get my dry erase marker here, and it says right here with the capital B, we have to go top to bottom, one bubble, and then another bubble. Let's try it down here. The letter B, capital B, top to bottom, bubble, bubble. Is that good? Ready? Now let's do the lowercase b. It goes from top to bottom and then one bubble at the bottom. Ready? Top to bottom and one bubble at the bottom. That's amazing! Now you could practice this at home, writing the letter B, capital B and lowercase b. This is cool. Find the letter. We need to find the letter B. Can you help me? Let's look. There are 26 letters here. Where's the letter B? Oh, I see it. And I'm gonna circle it. I found it, yes! Now the sound that the B makes is B. Are you ready? Let's think about some things that start with the letter B, and I'm gonna write it down right here. B. Baby. Oh, yes! Baby. Lowercase b, A, B, Y. Oh, there's two lowercase b's there. Now let's think of another one. How about butterfly? That's a big word. Ready? B, U, T, T, E, R, F, L, Y. Woo! That's a big word. And the letter B is right at the beginning. Butterfly. You hear the B sound. Baby. You hear the B sound at the beginning of the word. Now here's another B for beaver. B says B. B says B. Brown beaver. B, B, B. Isn't that cool? And look at all those B's there. I want to circle them. Is that okay with you? We have a B here. We have one here. We have another one here and here. Whoa! Now let me underline the other B's. Oh, look at all those B's. Now, are you ready? Now I have 4 cards here. And these cards, behind them, there are things that start with the letter B. Are you ready to do the first one? Let's do it. First one is banana. I love bananas. Do you like bananas? Oh, they're so delicious, and especially in the cereal. Let's do the second card. Let's see what this one is. Oh, balloon. I love balloons, especially red balloons. Love balloons. Let's go to the third card. Let's see. Oh, bicycle. Bicycle starts with the letter B. I love riding my bike. Love it. Let's go to the last one, which is the fourth card. Let's see. Bird. I know you see some birds outside, right? Chirping. So cute. So these are words that start with the letter B, and the sound is B. We have banana, balloon, bicycle, bird. Yes, we have banana, balloon, bicycle, and bird. Boys and girls, I hope you had fun learning about the letter B. Now remember, practice at home how to write the letter B. Capital and lowercase, and the sound B makes is B. I'll see you later, okay? Bye!
B, 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 bounce to the beat. The letter B is really neat. Clap your hands, sing with glee. Let's cheer hooray for letter B.
Hi again! Guess what? So I went around my classroom to look for some things that start with the letter B. And I put them in my bag. Do you want to see what I found? I'm excited. I put 3 things in there that start with the letter B. Remember, the beginning sound should be B. Are you ready? But in my bag, first we have to trace the letter B. So we'll know this is the capital B. So are you ready? Let me start. I got my dry erase marker. And here we go. From top to bottom. Top to bottom. I'm following the line. 1 bubble on top. And another bubble at the bottom. That's the letter B. Now, I want to find out. Well, I already know what's in there, but I want you to see what I got. That starts with the letter B. I have a little clip here. Ooh, I can't wait. The letter B. Let me put it to the side. I'm excited. I'm excited. That starts with B. B. Are you ready? Let me look. Let me look. Where's the one that I... Where is it in there? Where are you? Found it. A bouncy blue ball. Are you ready? I want to bounce it. I'm going to try it first on the table to see how it bounces. Oh, did you see that? I love it. Now I'm going to try it on the floor. My floor has carpet, so let's see if it bounces. Like, let me see. Whoa, did you see how high it bounces? Let's try it again. Oh, I love it. So it's a blue bouncy ball. Blue, bouncy, ball. All 3 words start with the letter B. Let me put it back in here. Let me see what else I have here. I have a bear. Hi, baby bear. Baby bear. Both words. Baby, bear. Hi, sweetheart. This is my bear. Hi. And it's a puppet. You want to see? Hi, boys and girls. How are you today? I'm having so much fun. Bye. You're like, I love it. Let me put it here. One more thing. I said there's 3 things in here. Let me see. Do you guys know what this is? These are bubbles. But look at this wand. Look how big this one. Should I blow a bubble? Do you think you'll be able to see the bubble? Oh gosh, bubble starts with B. Let me try it. Let me try it. Do you see the bubbles? So many bubbles. Bubbles. These are 3 things that start with the letter B. Bubbles, bear, and, wait, let me get my ball because we don't want it to roll. And the blue ball. Watch out, bear, I don't want you falling. 3 things. Boys and girls, I hope you had fun looking at these things that start with the letter B. I'll see you later, okay? Bye.
Story time, gather near. Open your ears, the book is here. Story time, gather near. Open your ears, the book is here.
Hi there. Since we're learning about the letter B, I found a book that starts with the letter B. And here we go. The title is Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin and Eric Carle. And here we go. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, children, what do you see? I wonder what they saw. Are you ready? They saw the things that we mentioned in the book. We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. What a great story, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later, okay? Bye.
Grab your colors, paint and glue. It's art time fun for me and you.
Are you ready to make an art project? Again, we're still on the letter B, and we're going to make a paper bag bear today. These are the items that we need. We need glue, we need scissors, we need a brown paper bag, a small one, it's called a lunch bag. We need a plastic fork, we need a black marker, we need 2 small circles on white construction paper, we need a circle on brown paper with 2 looks like their paws. They are the bear's paws. And brown paper with 2 ears. And we also need brown paint. Are you ready now? Okay, I'm gonna move some things to the side so you'll see what we need first. I'm gonna put the glue on the side, the scissors and the markers, and everything else. And we'll put the paper bag in the middle, right here. We're going to put the paper bag just like this. You see the little flappy part? Because it's going to go up. Because that's going to be the mouth, the bear's mouth for the paper bag. And here we go. First, we want to paint this bag. It's going to look like bear, the fur of a bear. We need the fork, okay? I am going to dip it. Let me push this to the side. We're going to just scrape it on the brown paint. Watch, it's going to look like fur. I need more. See that? We're just gonna go and scrape it on. And you can put as much as you want. It doesn't matter. You could put it all over. Oh, I hope I have enough brown paint. I think I will. Look at this. The bear. This is gonna be a friendly bear, guys. A friendly bear. Let's see. Let me put some at the bottom. Brown is one of my favorite colors. I love brown. Look at this. It's almost looking like a bear. And if you want to put more paint on it, you may. You may, with mom and dad's permission. Yes, you can. Okay, I'm finished. I'm going to put this to the side. Now, I need some eyes. That's where these 2 circles come in. These are the eyeballs. Ready? I'm going to cut right on the black line. Here we go. We have 1 eyeball. And now we go with the second one. Put the other eyeball there. Put this to the side. So I put some glue on. Put it right here. Let me get the other one. Put it right there. 2 eyes. We're missing one more thing. So the bear will be able to see. Put some marker. This is why we need the marker. So we can finish the eyes. Uh-oh. I'm trying my best here, guys. I really am. Do you like it? Oh, let me add more over here. Do you like it? Oh, it looks so cute. Wait, I need to make it a little bit better over here. Yes, got it. We got it. Tried my best. Now we're going to need the snout for the bear right here. And I'm going to cut right on the black line. Go around. See how I'm cutting out? I'm not cutting towards me. I'm cutting away from me. Here we go. And we're gonna put it right there. Ready? I can't wait to see my bear. Put it right here. There we go. Right there. Oh, I love it, I love it. Now let's see. Now we need a nose, and I'm gonna do it with my black marker. Oh, let me put it right here. With my black marker. Circle. And I think it needs a smile. Because he's a happy bear. Always looking like a bear. I love it. Okay, let's see. Now he needs some ears. You ready for the ears? Let me start cutting from down here. Go around. Okay, now I need to cut across. That's one ear. Look at that. Let's go with the other one. 2 ears. So he could hear. Cut this a little bit. And then it's gonna go like this. You like it? Okay, you need some glue. Now the ears are not that big. He's not like a rabbit, is he? No way. He's a bear. Ooh, let me open up the glue. You just need a little bit of glue, not a lot of glue. Now I'm gonna put this on top because it's gonna go on the back of the paper bag. Press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you count to 10, I think it will stick to it a little bit faster. Here we go. We got that. Now let me put this to the side. Now it needs to pause, but I only made 2. Doesn't he have 4 paws? Should I make 2 more? I think I should. Let me just try that. Let me cut these out first. And put one there. You know what? I think I want it to face in like that. What do you think? Yes? Let's see. And then we make the other one. Then we put the other one in. Oh, that's gonna look so cute. Hold on. Here we go. 1, 2. I'm gonna make 2 more paws. I'm gonna make 2 more paws. Let me see my black marker, which is right here. And I have extra paper here. That's why I didn't throw it away. That's good. So I'll make another paw. 1. And these are the claws. This is 4. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the marker away. Whoops. Here we go. I'm glad that I had extra paper. Extra brown paper. Brown starts with the letter B. Brown starts with the letter B. Let's see. A little bit of glue here. Put it right here at the bottom. Oh, I love my paper bag bear. I did it. Do you like it? Let me see. Oh my goodness. But I'll need to let it dry so I could play with it as a puppet. But I'm gonna try my best. Can I try it? Let's see. Let's see. So now I pick it up. Put my hand in there. I don't want it to glue on. 2. There we go. Are you ready? Oh. Look guys. Hi boys and girls. I'm a bear. You like it? Now boys and girls, you can make one at home as well, okay? Get the items that I have here and you can make your own. Remember to ask mom and dad, okay? I'll see you later. Bye. Say bye.